much in advance para sa inyong mga tulong, and thank you for joining us today on Kababayan LA. Meron po kaming bagong announcement. There is going to be a new show here on LA 18. It is something that's very interesting to you. It has something to do with immigration. Attorney Robert Reeves, hello and welcome back.
Hello,
on
thank you for
LA.
having me back.
Let's talk about the immigration experts. What is this show about?
Well, I'm very excited about the show. It's an educational show, 13-part series, episodes appearing every Sunday. It's an educational show about immigration law and procedure with practical tips on how to get immigration visas and common sense approaches.
That said, who should watch this show?
Everybody who's an immigrant or a prospective immigrant, anybody who's going to the embassy, anybody who's appearing before immigration service or in deportation, anything connected to immigration should watch this show. This show is not an entertainment show. It's not for superstars or celebrities. It's for the average, hard-working immigrant or prospective immigrant coming to this country trying to get a visa. Real people with real problems. Now, a superstar goes to the embassy, they're not going to have a problem inside the embassy. The only problem they're going to have is probably giving out autographs. Now, when the average person goes in there, they have some real problems, real concerns. They're not going to be asking them for their autograph.
Right, right. And they will have to deal with real problems, real concerns. What are some of the real problems that you're going to be touching on in Immigration Experts?
There are 13 parts to this series. The first part I start off with how to select a good immigration law firm.
Okay.
And what services that Reeves and Associates do or give. We have 7 partners in the firm. Each one is an expert. They will be giving the entire 13. I will come back. I will talk about how to get a visa at the embassy. I'm giving very practical tips, how to approach it, how to present yourself at the embassy. But other areas we're going in deportation defense, waivers at the embassy, waivers at the immigration service, waivers to prevent deportation, nurses, physical therapists, temporary visas.
So practically everyone will be from this show. Is there such a thing as who shouldn't watch this show?
Well, I would like to think that everybody should watch this show, but I don't think superstars or celebrities need to watch it.
They're covered.
You know what? They're going to get their visa.
Well, there's 2 things that I wanted to touch on today that you mentioned earlier, and if you can, I know this is part of your show, but if you can give us clues, tips on what we can get. Let's say, for example, how to find a good immigration lawyer. Can you give us one tip?
One tip, go to their website. Take a look at it. Is it comprehensive? How long have they been practicing law? In this series, cameras will take you into all 4 of our offices. You will see the experts. You will get to see the Las Vegas office, the San Francisco office, the Manila office, the Los Angeles office. This is the first time I've seen a series where they actually bring you in the office. We flew Troy Montero. He's the host of the show, and he's uniquely qualified. The reason he's so uniquely qualified.
Yeah, you should tell us about that, because people are saying he's an actor. We know him as an actor, and what is his business hosting an immigration show?
All right, that's a good question. Half his family are Filipinos. His mother's Filipino, his father's a U.S. citizen. Half his relatives are Americans, half are Filipinos. Half his friends are Filipinos, half of them are U.S. citizens. He spends half his time in the Philippines and half here. He knows from his friends and relatives firsthand the problems and the concerns of the Philippine community. He's very compassionate for Filipinos.
All right, sounds good. Where can we catch this show?
Every Sunday, 4:30, this very channel. It's channel 18. And if they miss it, they can go to the website, or they may want to, if they have a particular case and it comes up in our series and it's a very broad brush we painted here with the immigration picture here. And so if they miss one of our series or they want to see it again, they can go to our website.
All right. Well, thank you so much. Don't forget, the very first episode is This coming Sunday, January 31st at 4:30 here on LA 18 Immigration Experts. Thank you so much, Attorney Robert Reeves.
Thank you for having me.
More power to you.
Thank you.
Magbabalik pa po ang Kababayan LA. Don't go away.
Ang Kababayan LA ay hatid sa inyo ng McDonald's at ng bagong McCafe Espresso Drinks. McDonald's na ba ang inyong bagong coffee house? Ang mga bagong McCafe Espresso Drinks ay mabilis, masarap at mas mura pa kahit saan, kahit kailan.
Kamusta mga kababayan? Ako po si Janelle So, ang inyong kababayan dito sa Los Angeles. Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon, magsasanib puwersa ang LA 18 at Taiwan Tourism Bureau upang ihatid sa inyo ang kauna-unahang Travel to Taiwan with a Celebrity Tour. Bisitahin po natin ang mga tourist attractions na napapanood natin sa dramang On Air, ang Sun Moon Lake at Taipei 101 at marami pang iba, maging ang Kaohsiung na napapanood natin sa Black and White. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tawag na sa travel agency. Tara na!
You want to work in the United States?
Represent nurses and healthcare workers and
Do you need to reunite with your family and loved ones?
families. They want to be together, of course. And
Do you wish to obtain or maintain your legal status in the U.S.?
our clients go to the embassy. They come out with a visa.
Finally, a show that helps answer all your immigration problems and concerns.
We are the leading and the best immigration law firm in the United States.
Watch The Immigration coming this January.